Hey all, this is Lou Rayo inside my window, How you all doing? I hope everyone is safe. I hope everyone's doing well. If not, our prayers and thoughts are with you all. Now, that being said, my friends, I want to show you, for those who are in crafting or combination crafting and you're using that as a business, and you want to do sublimation printing, whether that be mugs, t-shirts, whatever it may be, whatever your heart desire is. And friends, you're looking for the first time to purchase a printer that can do sublimation. Well, here we go. We have it. I'm going to show you how to take the ink, a third-party ink, sublimation third-party ink, and transfer it into the Epson bottles and then into the printer. It's a 1, 2, 3 job. It's not that difficult, and it's going to save you time and money. So let's do that. Let's get rolling, baby. Okay, so friends, here we are. Here I have the Epson. It's the ET2720. This runs around about $199. You may see it a little more than that. Don't buy it. That's price gouging. Just don't do it. But it's around $199. It shouldn't be no more than that, and they're hard to get, especially at this time, what the circumstances we're in. Okay, so printers and a couple other business or crafting items, they're just hard to get. Now, that being said, we're not going to talk about the printer whatsoever. No, it's really not about the printer. It's about the ink. Yes, the ink. Let me put this aside. You want to do sublimation printing, right? Okay, so I would tell you, you can get sublimation ink on Amazon, and they're inexpensive, and I'll put a link down below. This is a pack here. It ran me about 39 bucks. Now you could get it for less than that. Yeah, you can, but you know, you got to read those reviews, and the ones that are consistent and not being paid to write something there. Okay, let me just say this: the inks that I have here, and by reading the reviews, it's really good reviews. And this particular sublimation ink comes in 4 colors, made perfect for the Epson and other printers as well. But what I love about this is anti-UV. Anti-UV. It doesn't fade. It will fade eventually, but the point is, it's made where it doesn't fade quickly. How's that? Quickly. Okay. So for $40, I got the UV ink here, and they do come in the 4 colors that is required for your Epson printer. And this could be any Epson printer, by the way. It doesn't have to be this model. But my point is, they come the way when you watch any of the YouTube videos on how to transfer third-party ink into the Epson printer. I mean, folks, you got to take these needle, whatever, plungers, whatever you call these things. It's just beyond me. Not that what's on YouTube is bad, how they're showing you to transfer, but I'm like, man, this is a pain in the butt. You know, you got to put this in here. Then you got to stick this into here. Let's open one of these. We're gonna normally, what you got to do, this would be if you're not transferring and you have one of those printers where the lids just open up. You could pour that right in there. But what they require for the Epson printers, you got to unscrew the top, just like that, and then you got to stick this needle in there in order, and then suck up the ink, then take the ink and transfer it into the printer. That's not what we want to do. Now, I'm going to show you something that's really, really cool. I'm going to prepare, take these lids off right here. Oh yeah. Take these lids off right here. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, baby. This is going to be so simple. Oh yeah. Ew, what are you going to do? Well, watch this. On the Epson, and most of the Epsons, you will see that the printer, right here, baby, see this? The printer's ink, that's where they go. Right in there. Right in there. Right in there. Right in there. That's where the inks go in this model of this printer. And it's color coded. So it tells you exactly black, yellow, so on. It tells you exactly where the ink goes. Now, when you buy this printer, or any Epson printer, really, when you buy this printer, you get already a kit, a full set of inks, all the 4 colors that's required for this printer. Now, obviously, these are empty. Why? What I did, follow me, what I did, just follow me, now, you don't have to do what I did, but just so you know, you could, if you have empty plastic containers and you have 4 of them, you could put this ink in there. Well, I just pretty much toss them. I'm never going to use them. So that being said, I tossed them, cleaned these tubes out, containers, ink containers from Epson. I cleaned them out, kept the label on there, and that was pretty much it. Now, in order for me to do that, I had to take a wrench, and I had to turn the cap. I had to turn that in order to unlock it. It was kind of tough turning it, but it worked, and it didn't really mess up anything. So now, what I'm going to do, this is black. I'm going to put these on the side here. And I'm going to take black right here. I'm going to remove the protective cover. Lou, you have no. Oh, Lou, this is dangerous. I know it's dangerous. I'm not, you notice I don't have nothing underneath here. Oh no, crazy. Yes, crazy. Now, I'm going to take this cap. I came with, this is the third party ink. See that? I took the cap. Remember, we're eliminating this. We're saying, bye-bye, no more. I'm going to remove the top. Lay that on the side. Now, obviously, you want paper towels, and you want to do over, you know, old cloth, paper towels. And I'm going to fill this, just like this. Voila, fill it, and be careful not to, when you're filling these tubes, I mean containers, I'm not saying tubes, okay, just filling it, just like that. And once I get this filled, we're going to transfer it, well, not now, but just to show you, we're going to transfer it over to, and look at this. You get the exact actually, you get a little more. Whoa. There's a little more in here than what Epson is providing. Now, the cap that came with the Epson ink, all I'm doing, I'm going to seal it back. Just like this. Gonna make sure I hear those click, 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 click. We don't want no leakage. Oh, that's sealed. Now this cap came with the Epson ink, specifically designed for the Epson printer. So all I have to do is turn it over, and voila, it goes right. The ink will go right into what? The first one. And all I have to do is, in fact, let's go ahead and pour the ink. This way, you know it's working, baby. Voila. See, it's filling up. And hopefully the camera will do justice, but it's filling up. See that? Voila. It's filling up. There is no needle. No needle, my friend. No, you don't need this. This is this. Now, is there work to this? Well, I think that's enough. I could save the rest. So, pretty much I got that full. And, okay, so the first time you got to unscrew the original Epson bottles, right? The bottles, the containers that hold the Epson ink from the factory that came with the printer. You got to unscrew it and recycle your ink, whatever you want to do with it. That's up to you. And then you got to clean the bottles out and let it dry. That's it. That's all you have to do. What my point is that once you do all of that, now, no matter what, you don't have to clean these bottles out anymore. Because, one, you don't want to mix. You do not want to mix regular ink with sublimation ink. You do not want to do that. No, 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 no. No, it will just cause you a nightmare. You always want to use the ink, which is sublimation. Now you could use different brands, whatever. If you didn't like this brand, you could buy a different brand. Yes, and you can still mix it. That's fine. Would I do that? No, I would stick with the main brand. And then from here on, no more washing, no more cleaning. It's already made. All you have to do is unscrew the cap and refill, and bam, that's it. No more needles. No, it's gone. It's history. What do you think? I think this is genius. So one more time, last but not least, you get your printer, right? Brand new printer. It comes with a set of 4, right? For the Epson printer. Doesn't matter what model. Boom. You get brand new inks with your printer. You order, and I'll have a link here for these, and I'll have a link for other ones as well, good ones. And you order from wherever, but if you want to order from Amazon, I don't get paid for them. Nope, I don't get paid. But those links, I'll provide to you. Those links, when your order is on its way, recycle, do whatever you want with the ink that's in these containers, but you want to get the ink out of here. You want to clean the bottle, let it dry. When your new ink comes in, your sublimation ink, all you have to do, voila, open up the cap and just pour this in and transfer it. Voila. And hell with these needles. You don't need these needles. So my friends, I think we did good. So please, if you have not subscribed, please do so. Please subscribe and hit that bell for new videos. Yeah. And you know what? I think there's a lot of awesome videos out there on sublimation printing. I don't need to do one. Nah, not for crafting. I think there's so many good ones out there. It's no need for redundancy. But what's not out there is this stupid thing. So I think we did something that hopefully everyone could pick up on and utilize and move on from there and make their life a lot easier so that they can get into their projects. That's what this is all about. Okay, my friends, thank you for taking the time to watch this video. I hope we did well on this one. I hope everything, if for some reason I missed something, please, a good positive comment, but at the same time, any questions, I would do my best to answer. Otherwise, my friends, I leave you with peace, I leave you with joy, and I leave you with happiness in all that you do. Take care. This is Lou Rail. Inside my window. Inside my window. Take care. Stay safe, my friends. Thank you. Take care. Chaotic. Chaotic. Yeah, chaotic. What can I use this for? Come here. Come here. Look what I got for you. Ah.